Hi, I'm Elise and I'm an 8th grader, and over spring break I've been doing some of these doodles and they're really fun and I thought you guys might want to learn how to do them. So what you'll need is just a random piece of paper, it doesn't matter what paper you use, and a Sharpie. It can either be a Sharpie or a marker, it can be colored or not, it all depends what you want to color it at the end. So you're gonna start with just one plain line in the middle. It can be literally any line. You can make it as curvy or as straight as you want. And then start making tiny dots anywhere on the line. Like this. And then you're gonna start connecting the lines. Just by making little lines into sort of an oval shape. And you can do as many or as little lines as you want. And then you're going to do this to all of the dots on the line. And once you've done that, you can start making a new line. Again, just random, and then put new dots on it. So along the way, it's going to kind of look like this. And then the final product is this. Chances are you're gonna have your lines and there's gonna be still a lot of space in the middle, so you can just take random lines and start connecting the dots even if it isn't on a specific line. And you can also decide to color it at the end. This is a big one I made and I already started coloring in some parts of it, but you can really do whatever you want in this. And that's it.